Good evening, everyone. My name is Sonali. I'm from Section A, and the today's topic for discussion or for this presentation is equal pay for equal work. This is the flow of the presentation. We start by the introduction. What are the laws for women available in Indian Constitution? Thereby moving to the work laws and what can be the measures taken by the employer. Now, there is a special mention I would like to make in this presentation that this work was written by Nivrati Gupta, uh, and I have taken the content and some of her ideas in the presentation. So, starting with the introduction, what is that we desire after primary needs like food and shelter? All human beings desire for social security. We know that India is a welfare state. And we also know that if there are two employees who are doing the same work, sharing the same responsibilities, must be given equal pay. It was said by a bench during a court hearing that if there is an activity where two people are performing the same task but are paid differently, it means it's an exploitation and it shall not be entertained. Now, what are the laws which women have under Indian Constitution? Starting with Article 14, which states that equality before the law, that is, men and women having equal rights and opportunities in the political, economic, and social spheres. Then, moving to Article 39, which states that we deal this article deals with principles that are to be followed by the state for laying down policies regarding equal pay for both men and women. Then, Article 51 states that in order to quit the woman can quit the practices derogatory to a dignity of a woman. Now, what are some of the work laws in the Indian Constitution? Starting with the Workmen's Compensation Act, which was undertaken in 1923. The objectives of this act was its aim is to provide financial protection to the dependents of the worker in case of accidental injury by paying compensation. Due to the difference in bargaining power, there are high chances that women may be subject to exploitation. Another important work law is the Minimum Wages Act, which was undertaken in 1948, which states that we need to provide statutory fixation for minimum wages. Workers are poorly paid and have less bargaining power in India, especially the women in India. Now, we also know that according to a research which was done in 2013, there was a gender pay gap of approximately 25% between both men and women. We also know that India ranks amongst the last 10 in female participation. So, what are the major contributing factors which create this gender gap? First is people, first is women who don't know what are the work available to them, that is awareness. Secondly, cultural barriers. Thirdly, lack of education and training. Fourthly, occupational priorities. So, what are the measures which can be taken by the employer? Now, first, duty of the employer is to pay equal wages to men and women workers when the work is of the same character or nature. No employer shall pay any employee employed by him in an organization or job compensation and benefits, whether payable in or at rates less favorable than those at which remuneration paid by him to a worker of opposite sex in that company or a work of the same nature. Formation of advisory and check committee at every organization. Every organization can undertake this step. What will this committee do? Basically, this organization will ensure that there is no gender faces no gender faces any discrimination of any kind. This committee shall also ensure that the minimum wage limit set by the state and local government is followed rationally in the organization. Also, a government body should be formed to keep a strict review on labor and daily wage organization and maintain a constant review over such organization. Every employee should be explained his or her rights of getting equal pay for equal work and remedies available if this is not being followed in his or her organization. So here we look at a better future for both women and men and give women the equal rights they deserve for the same work they do. Thank you.